Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you how to use background music without copyright to your YouTube videos. Let's get started. Today I will show you two ways to get background music without copyright. First of all, you have to go to your web browser and go to your YouTube studio. When you go to YouTube studio, go to button on there and there finally you can see audio library. Then open it. After open this, you can see this. These musics you can use without copyrights. Like this, you can play it and choose one from here. Make sure to look after their license type. If there is no attribution required, you can use this anywhere from your YouTube videos without doing anything. When you find a background music for you and play it, and when you play it, you can see this in here. Now you can download this from here. From here you can filter musics. Let's see cricket. When you filter this, you can see these all are background musics for cricket videos. You can use these also. If you see this copyright mark, if you want to add this to your video, click on their view details. And after you have to copy this from here and include this on your YouTube video description. You must include this in your YouTube video description. If not, you will get copyright. Now I will show you another way for get background music without copyright. That also go to YouTube and search on YouTube no copyright sounds. You can see this on top. Then open it. This is one of the channel you can get background music without copyright. You can trust this. Then you can see this channel. Then go to it. Now you can find a video from here. What you like. Let's get this one. Can I be your star? If you want to use this on your YouTube video, you must follow these introductions. Click on the show more and go to bottom. There you can see when you are using this track, we simply ask you that you put this in your description. That means you have to copy this part and include this on your YouTube video description. I will show you how to download this also. Same way in their description, free download and stream you can see. Then there are also a link. Then open it. Now there you can see download track. Then click on it. Make sure you have to sign up for this site. I have already signed up. Then I have to log in. You can log in and sign up this also. I am using Google. After sign up, close this and go to free download and stream again. Click on the link. Now you can download this track simply. Now there click on download. Now you can see it is downloading. Wait for download. You can copy the attribution from there also. When you click on this copy mark, you can copy this. Now you can see copy. You can use these two ways to get background music for your YouTube videos. These Most people are using these two ways to get background music for their YouTube videos. If you follow introduction and get background music, you won't get copyright strike or copyright claims for your YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for get notification of my new videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Thank you for watching my video.